Hello everyone. Today's question is online stock span. Write a class stock spanner which collect daily price quotes for some stock and returns the span of that stock's price for the current day. So the span of stock's price today is defined as the maximum number of consecutive days starting from today and going backward, for which the price of the stock was less than or equal to today's price. For example, if the price of stock over the next 7 days were 180, 60, 70, 60, 75, 85, then the stock span would be 1112146. Okay, uh, I hope you feel difficulty for this. You are not able to understand these questions. Okay, I will move to the pen and paper and then I will explain you the questions and then we will move to the solution part. First, we understand these questions using this given example. What we have to do, we have to count the price of stock was less than or equal to today's price. Means we have to count the previous day lesser or equal to stock price. So 100 is our starting stock price. So there is no lesser value for 100. So 100 is equals to 100. So we will return 1 in our result array. We'll store 1 in our result array, and then we will move to the next element, that is 80. Now we check, is there any lesser stock price left side of 80? No. So 80 itself is equals to, so we return 160, that 60 itself, and 70 left side, there is any lesser price? Yes, 60. Lesser or equals to price is, lesser price is 60 and equals to price is 70, so we return 2. And now we check for 60, there is any lesser price, lesser or equals to price for 60? Yes, there is equals to price, that is 60 itself, so we'll return 1. And check for 75, there is any lesser or equals to price for 75? Yes, there is lesser price, that is 60, 60, 70 and equals to price is 75, so our count is 4. So we check for 85, so there is any lesser price for left side for 85? In left side there is 5 lesser price, that is 80, 60, 70, 60, 75 and 85 itself is equals to, so our count is 6. We will return 1112146 as our answer. So now we will solve this problem using a stack. So using stack data structure we will solve this problem. First, our first day price is 100, so we check our stack is empty. So yes, our stack is empty, so we will simply add 100 in our stack and check, cause we add 1, we inside this stack we take two variable, that is price and the lesser or equals to price count, so that is 1, cause 100 no lesser price is there for 100. So now we move to the next element, that is 80. 80 is greater than stack last price? No, 80 is not greater than, so we simply add 80 as price and 1 as the count. Now we check for 60. We check 60 is greater than stack last value, so that is 80. 80, so 60 is not greater than, so we simply add 60 as price and 1 as count. So now we move to the next element, that is 70. We check 70 is greater than stack last price. Yes, 70 is greater than, cause stack last price is 60, stack top value is 60, so 70 is definitely greater than, so we will pop 60 and add the count in result. Result already is 1, so 1 plus 1, result plus 1. So initially we take result res as 1, so and we add res plus pop values count, that is 1, so 60's count is 1, so 2. So now we pop 60 and add and check there is another lesser value or not. There is no lesser value, so we add 70 and count as 2. So now we check for 60, so 60 is greater than top value, stack top value? No, 60 is not, so we simply add 60 and 60 as price and count as 1. 60 and count as 1. And now we check for next element, that is 75. 75 is greater than stack last value, that is stack top element. Yes, 75 is greater than. So we first pop 60 and increase the count of, at the count of 60, that is 1. So now our race is 2. 1 plus, initially 1 plus 1, that is 2, and then pop 60 and then again check 75 is greater than stack last element. Yes, 75, again 75 is greater than, that is 75 is greater than 70. So we pop 70 and pop count is 2, we add 2 in our result. So now our count is 4, so we simply add 75 as price and 4 as count. So now we move to the next element, that is 85. We check 85 is greater than stack top element. Yes, 85 is greater than. So we first pop 75 and add the count in result. So that is, now our result is 1 plus 4. So that is our res is 5. And now 1 plus 4, that is 5. So now we pop this 75 and check next element, 80 is less than 85. Yes, 80 is, so then again we pop 80 and add the count in our result. So that is, now our count is 6. 5 plus 1, 6. So we add 85 and count 6. That's our solution for these questions. I hope you understood it. So this code is run by order of n time complexity. So now we will move to the implementation part. So first we will take a stack, so empty stack, and then we take a variable, that is res. Initially we assign 1 into it and take a while loop, and that is in while loop we check if stack is not null and stack, if self.stack top value is less than price, then we will pop this element from stack and assign the count in add the count in result. If while loop condition is not satisfied, we push price and result pair inside this stack, price and res, and at the end we return the result. So now we'll check it, yeah, running successfully, and submit it. Yeah, got accepted. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.